do you think, Prez? How's turnout?
Good, 64 cars.
And counting?
It's good, yeah.
Sure does sound a lot better than when we first started.
Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
But we got Ben here, who's been huge, and Eric, and John, and Bob do this. Because Bob Moore is the Hillsborough Fire Museum Foundation Car Show Coordinator Extraordinaire. She's been doing a lot of laundry. Put his whole heart into restoring that motor, and we just can't thank him enough. I mean, that doesn't mean I don't appreciate everybody else, but especially the two of you, you've put in so much, and I just, wanted to recognize that publicly, and so here we go. Ben Ressler, hero of the Class B.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Which we're going to be using all this money to refurbish.
Is remember our fallen firefighter brothers and sisters. The Class B fire truck has a really austere history. Back in the 60s, back when Hillsborough County was a group of fragmented volunteers, we didn't have the budget to buy a nice fancy fire truck like other departments had. We had to make our own. And our own Ross Macaluso and his expertise took a fleet chassis Ford or Chevrolet, took a skid-mounted 500 GPM pump and a 1,000-gallon water tank, welded it to the frame, put the pump on, piped it. Those were our lovingly referred to as county specials. How many veterans and retirees here remember riding the tailboard on those trucks? We do. And folks, back in those days, if you wore a safety strap on the tailboard, you were the real firefighter. So restoration of this engine is important because it has a lot of historical significance to us who served back in those days. Now, the flag has been passed to a new generation of young men and women that are riding the nice E1s, the nice air-conditioned cabs. Guys, our air-conditioned cab was two windows down at 40 miles an hour. That was our air conditioning. We say thank you. And we ask that you support the Firefighters Museum. It's extremely important that we have our identity in Hillsborough County as giving part to this community in this county that we serve. Thank you very much, everybody. Support the museum. Thank you.
We got top 20.